If you've dreamed of being a chef, today on Inside South Florida, we're learning how to cook authentic Peruvian dishes and craft cocktails while having fun in the process by taking a master cooking and mixology class. Pisco y Nazca, a Peruvian gastro bar notable for authentic dishes and drinks with a modern twist, is hosting Peruvian master cooking and mixology classes at their South Florida restaurants.
I'm here with a friend and we are both Peruvians. We do want to learn how to cook our traditional food. So we're really happy that we have this opportunity to do it.
Just in time for National Ceviche Day on June 28th, this hands-on cooking masterclass and mixology experience is perfect for foodies who want to learn the secrets of authentic Peruvian cuisine. Guests will work as pairs, preparing an array of Peruvian favorites right on their own stoves, while Chef Abel and his team guide you through all the steps.
For coming, everyone, and ready for the show. The customer love it because it's a new experience. The chef explained to you how to cook the ceviche, how to cook the arroz con mariscos.
First dish on the menu is their famous ceviche, and all the ingredients are prepped for you to make it easy.
Ceviche is going to be the first dish that we're going to make. The way that we cook the fish is with lime juice. Marinate first the white fish with salt, a little bit lime juice, and then we put our traditional leche de tigre. We don't cook the fish, so the lime juice cook the fish.
Of course, every good chef needs to taste their dish, and as you can see by their faces, it was quite delicious. Their second dish is their signature arroz con mariscos, or seafood with rice.
And then we're gonna make arroz con mariscos in induction stove. Customers love it. The chef explained to you how to cook the ceviche, how to cook the arroz con mariscos.
This dish is also a Peruvian favorite infused with lots of flavor that paired perfectly with the cocktails they crafted, including Chilcano Clásico and Guapos Chilcano, which are classic cocktails made with the star ingredient pisco, a spirit made from distilled grape juice. Pisco and Nazca translates to having fun and enjoying the company of friends and loved ones in a social atmosphere. And this immersive experience lived up to its name.
Congratulations, guys. Everybody do amazing ceviche.
I am not a cook person at all, but I would definitely go home to try this now. So for a person that doesn't cook, we love simple, quick, and what we did today was very simple, quick.
The Peruvian Master Cooking and Mixology class will be held at their restaurant locations in Kendall on June 26th and Doral on June 27th. Guests will work in pairs and the price is $100 per person. Space is limited to 20 people. For more information, visit piscoynazca.com. I guess I can officially call myself a chef, right? This is my type of class where I get to eat and drink at the same time. Each student will also take home a specially branded apron, perfect for recreating the experience at home.